If you think that hitting the gym is necessary for losing weight, you are wrong. Many at-home physical exercises are as effective as machine-aided physical activity for weight loss. Weight loss exercises at home are also preferred by many as they are never hard-pressed for time and allow individuals to perform exercises as per their convenience. Here are 5 weight loss exercises at home for women beginners. Number 1. Spot jogging. If you are fit to jog and looking forward to weight loss, engage in jogging. Spot jogging can be done irrespective of the time. Example, you may want to do it while watching TV or listening to music. The enjoyable activity will bring health benefits along with weight loss. For spot jogging, you need a good pair of sport shoes that can absorb joint shocks. Number 2. Walking. Why not just walk when it can induce weight loss? See, if the weather is pleasant, you could move outdoors to a garden or take a stroll in the nearby boulevard. If the weather is not good, walk inside the house for the same duration. For effective results from walking, you may walk briskly for a considerable amount of time, such as 15 to 20 minutes. The best way to fetch results of walking is to enjoy it within the confines of your home. Alternatively, you can also try walking up and down a flight of stairs or walking around the house while on the phone. Number 3. Crunches. Probably the best exercises to reduce stomach fat, build abs. Crunches also involve the entire body. In the exercise, one has to lie on his or her back with knees bent and feet firmly positioned on level ground. Hands should be placed behind the head and shoulders should be just raised from the ground. Follow by performing the exercise by pulling body up and bringing it down slowly. Ensure that your abdomen stretches while doing it. Number 4. Leg lifts. Lie on your back and lift up the legs with knees upright. This exercise helps in toning the abs and leg muscles. Number 5. Push-ups. The push-up is a difficult exercise for some, but there are several easy ways to do it, such as doing it with the knees on the ground or leaning against the wall. The only thing you need to keep in mind while doing push-ups is making sure that your arms and chest region are getting adequate exercise. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, leave a like and comment. Make sure to check out our #1 recommended product in the description below.